I'm participating in hashtag Crafty Goals 2024 hosted by Project 39 Mini Albums. Let's take a look at what I created in August and also review my September goals. Hi everyone, it's Tammy and thanks for joining me today. I made 6 traveler notebook inserts. They're quick and easy to make. They're perfect for your one-sided paper. I'll post a tutorial soon. I was able to use some of the scraps from the traveler notebook inserts to create 3 mini pocket junk journals. I created 3 of these patchwork prayer journals, and I have a project share video up on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. I created a mini pocket planner to help with my Crafty Goals 2024 project, and I love how it turned out. The paper collection I used was from the not too shabby shop called Tropical Hippos, along with its coordinating ephemera. And I also used the Just Beachy floral bits from Simple Stories. I used a vintage cooking recipe card, so there's extra room for writing. Most of the time, the projects I create are for others, but it was really nice to be able to create something for myself. So what I plan is to create this mini pocket planner each month, and I'll be able to just have fun with it. The first page is a calendar page. My monthly goals are to smash a 6x6 paper pad, create 20 cards, send out 5 snail mail, and that can include sending out cards or happy mail, and upload 3 YouTube videos. Here are my project goals. I would like to continue with the 1x3 series on my channel, which is to use one product and create 3 items. Create loaded pockets, tent topper cards, bookmarks, candy boxes, and to alter Dollar Tree notepads. My planner also includes a page so I can list my YouTube video ideas. I plan on using this page to write down the items I want to create for my Happy Mail swaps. Here are the paper collections that I plan to use. I would like to use the Echo Park Play All Day Girl, Not Too Shabby Shop It's School Time, Michael's Orchard Hill, and I also selected a few papers for a bee theme project. So I would like to use the August 2024 stencil of the month from Spellbinders. I want to smash this paper pad, and it's from Echo Park Play All Day. I do want to make some projects with the Not Too Shabby Shop It's School Time and the coordinating stamp set. I plan on making some sunflowers with the Spellbinders cutting dies, and it's called Sunflower Serenade. I selected 10 sheets of paper that I think would be great for my bee theme project. I do want to use this piece of paper, and it's from, I already cut off the branding strip, but it's from Maggie Holmes. I recently picked up these 2 paper pads, and it's from Michael's. It was during that time when you could stack that coupon to get a great deal. So I picked Fall Solids and Orchard Hill. So those are the items I created for August and my goals for September. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.